Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another episode of BlackChic Chronicles in Transit. And as always, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, BlackChic Chronicles. Enjoy the vlog. Good morning. This is our first full day here in Kanchanaburi. Why are you laughing? This is our first full day here in Kanchanaburi, the province of Kanchanaburi, and we are at the bus station about to board a train to Erawan. I'm gonna say it wrong, so there. And we're gonna go see a waterfall. Based on the pictures, it should be a good day. Should be a lot of good pictures, a lot of good scenery, a very relaxing vibe. So definitely looking forward to that. And on a side note, it happened to us again. We get to the bus station, and I don't know if she was a security guard or a bus terminal worker, but they're all always very professionally dressed in suits, so it's kind of hard to tell exactly if they're security or just workers at the bus station. But we got asked to take another picture, which I will insert in the next slide. So I have a feeling that we may be on Facebook or Instagram now, just like circling, because people find us very intriguing here still. So like I said before in the previous vlog, I was a little put off at first, but now, you know, it is what it is. And they, like I said before, they probably don't see black people too much here. Actually, I know they don't see black people too much here, and especially to black female travelers. I'm sure that's really not seen too much here. So we're a hit here too in Kanchanaburi. So it's probably about a 2-hour bus ride to Kanchanaburi, and the bus is pretty dope. It's very retro, but it's dope. it's no central air, which I think kind of adds to kind of like the retro experience. But this bus is definitely circa like 1950 something, and I will show you the bus right now. So here we go. So this is the bus that we'll be riding on to go to Kanchanaburi. Mercedes bus here, you see, with the Hello Kitty, which is pretty cute. Did you notice it was Hello Kitty on it? Yeah, on the bus. And this is the bus here. Pretty cool. It's definitely retro style, which I think is gonna be an awesome experience. Definitely something that we're not used to, but something definitely looking forward to experiencing. So there you go.